Telegram login without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into Telegram without phone number. Now basically, if you're trying to log into your Telegram account, or if you're trying to create a new Telegram account without the phone number, then it's actually impossible. Now the only way to log into Telegram or to create an account on Telegram, either ways, is by accessing it through the number. You'll have to need a mobile number and you'll have to verify the number. Now there is still a way that you can log into Telegram even if you don't have a number. Suppose you don't want to use your personal number, or you don't have a number, you don't own one. What you can do is you can head into your browser. I'll just show you a quick way here. You can head into your browser, and on the browser you can search in for virtual number for OTP, and you can see you'll get various options here. You can head into one of these links, and what you can do is you can choose a number, open it up, and what it does is you can use this number to log into the account or create new account. You can copy this number and paste it on the login page, and then update the messages, and down below you'll get every code that you get on this mobile number, and then you can use it to log in. So this way you can log in without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.